So you want to know how to fix TikTok network error on login? Here's how you can do it under a minute. So first things first, try to switch between your mobile and your Wi-Fi or mobile data right over here on your settings. If that doesn't work, try toggling on your airplane mode and toggling it off. Finally, go ahead and disable all the VPNs or ad blockers that you might have on your mobile device. Head to your app store first. Click on your profile icon and then click on personalized recommendations. Click on clear app usage data and go ahead and do so. And then simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your TikTok app right over here by simply holding your finger on the application just like that and clicking on delete app. Now the final step, click on settings, head to general, scroll down to transfer or reset, click on reset and reset network settings. It is as simple as that to restart your phone and everything should be fixed. I hope this video clarified everything for you. For more queries,